What's up guys, it's Rohit, and listen up. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future of making money online, and the craziest part is, it's all about using free AI tools to build a solid income stream. We're talking $100 a day, every single day, just by using the power of AI. I'm going to be breaking down 6 simple steps you can follow, even if you're starting from scratch. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this money. First things first, we gotta pick a niche, but not just any niche, a profitable one. Think finance, health, tech, AI. These are hot topics that people are searching for like crazy. And how do we know what people are searching for? We use free tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public. These bad boys will show you exactly what keywords and questions people are typing into Google. We're talking about tapping into real-time data, seeing the trends, and finding those golden nuggets where the money's at. You want to find a niche that's not only profitable, but something you're actually interested in. Trust me, when you're passionate about what you're doing, the money comes way easier. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your interest and earning potential collide. So do your research, use those free tools, and let's lock in a niche that's gonna make us some serious cash. Now that we've got our niche locked and loaded, it's time to unleash the beast, ChatGPT. This AI tool is an absolute game changer when it comes to creating killer content. Whether you need blog posts, video scripts like this one, or even engaging emails, ChatGPT can generate it all for you. And the best part, you don't need to be a writing wizard. Just give ChatGPT some prompts related to your niche, and watch it work its magic. It's like having your own personal writing assistant, available 24/7, and the best part is, it's completely free. Now I'm not saying you should just copy and paste everything ChatGPT spits out. Take the time to refine the output, add your own personal touch, and make sure it sounds like you. We want your content to be unique and engaging, something that's going to make people hit that subscribe button and come back for more. Alright, we've got our niche, we've got our content, now it's time to turn that content into cold hard cash. And guess what? We've got not 1, not 2, but 3 awesome monetization strategies for you. First up, we've got blogging. Create a free blog with Blogger, slap on some Google AdSense, and watch the passive income roll in as people click on those ads. It's like printing money while you sleep. Next, we're jumping on the YouTube Shorts and Faceless Videos bandwagon. These are super hot right now, and you can easily create them using AI voiceovers and royalty-free stock clips. And finally, we've got the affiliate marketing game. Find products related to your niche on platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, and Impact, sprinkle in your unique affiliate links, and boom. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a cut of the profits. It's a win-win. Now you might be thinking, Rohit, how am I supposed to get people to actually see my content? Don't worry, I got you covered. We're going to use the power of SEO and Pinterest to drive free traffic to our content. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making sure your content shows up at the top of Google searches. And guess what? ChatGPT can help us with that too. Ask it to generate SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and even hashtags. Pinterest is another goldmine for free traffic, especially if you're targeting the US market. Create eye-catching pins using Canva, another free tool, and watch the traffic flood in. And don't forget about Reddit. Find relevant subreddits in your niche and share your content there. But remember, no spamming. Be a valuable member of the community, engage in conversations, and watch your traffic soar. Now let's talk about scaling up our game with even more free AI tools. First up, we've got Canva, our secret weapon for creating stunning graphics, thumbnails, and even Pinterest pins. Next, we've got Pictory, an awesome AI video editor that lets you create professional-looking videos in minutes, even if you've never edited a video before. And if you need a website or landing page, look no further than Google Sites. It's completely free, super easy to use, and lets you create a professional online presence in no time. Remember, you don't need to spend a dime to access powerful tools that can take your content creation to the next level. Now, let's talk numbers. With just 100 views per day on your content, and a 5% conversion rate on your affiliate links, which is totally doable, you're already looking at $50 to $100 per day. And the best part is, this is just the beginning. As you create more content, build your audience, and master these strategies, your earning potential is limitless. The key here is consistency and leveraging the power of AI. Keep creating high-quality content, optimize it for search engines, and promote it like crazy. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities you'll attract. So there you have it, guys. This is how I'd start making money in 2025, using just free AI tools and smart strategies. Remember, you don't need any fancy equipment or a huge budget. All you need is a willingness to learn, the hustle to make it happen, and the power of AI on your side. Which tool are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Drop AI Hustle in the comments if you're ready to start. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're building your income stream, one smart video at a time.